give you my heart.
Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video is kind of weird because I'm in my jammies and I'm never really in my jammies. I think there's like one or two videos of me in my jammies, but it's nearly 7:30 at night and New Year's Eve tomorrow, and I have not sorted my life out and I have not tidied my room and it is messy. So I'm gonna change my bedding, sort my clothes out and just tidy everything inside. So let's get into it. Okay, so this area is pretty much done. It's tidied. The worst bit is over. Now onto the other side where all my jeans are. What I can't fit into my drawer. To start the new year off, even though it's not like an amazing thing to do, I'm going to switch my jammies into my bottom drawer where my jeans are in my bed, and then put my jeans into the bigger drawer in my chest of drawers. You will see what I mean. YouTuber Robin XO. I was about to say merch, it's not merch. I wish. Jumper. All of these jeans and cardies I have just not put back in place. So we're going to just put this on my bed and then get all the jeans out, get all the jammies out and put them all on my bed. To do now is my bed, so let's get into it. That is my bedroom. Officially tidied, done my bed, moved my clothes, sorted all my clothes out. I've only got like some leggings, like gym leggings, that's on the floor that I need to put under my drawer on that side, but I have to move everything again to do that. So I'm not doing it right now because I am sweating, because I had that really thick onesie on and I was like making my bed. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry if it's not that long. I don't think it will be, but I just want to film it and make you guys feel productive and try it and get a good start to the new year. I love like doing these types of videos because like you just have a clean slate and it's just so nice. Tomorrow I am probably gonna have like a bath. I do need to wash my hair, but tomorrow I might have a bath and like vlog that day and then upload it on my vlogging channel. So my vlogging channel is always in the description if you want to check it out. But for now, I'll love you and leave you. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Kind of, not a vlog. It's a main channel video, of course, but I've done it as a vlog style. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you like to organise before the new year. And if you're new here, hit subscribe. The one thing I like to organise, as you could see, is I like to strip my bed and put a new bedding on. It just feels fresh and like a fresh start. Bye!